So let us look at another case. Let us look at this triangle. Okay, just observe this triangle. And what I'll do is I'll only take this angle. I'm observing. Okay, there are other angles of course, but just observe this angle. Okay, I'm going to remove this side. I'm just going to make it disappear for some time. Now look at this angle. If I change this angle, the sides also will have to change, right? I mean the sides also will have to come together. I mean will have to change because the angle has changed, right? Now because this angle has changed, the sides have to change, and therefore the third side, which was originally like this, also have to become shorter. You see, it also has to become shorter, right? Automatically. Now what if I change the angle again? See, the angle is changing again. The angle is changing again. And if I, so because of that, the two sides that are joining that angle have to change. And because of that, the third side, that the side that we originally initially disappeared, made it to disappear, that side also will have to be shorter. Do you see that? So by just changing these two sides and the angle, we can actually change the whole triangle. We need not change the third side, because by just changing this side, and this angle, we'll automatically change the third side. Okay, so two sides and the angle between them can control the whole triangle. Do you see that? Now why did I show you this? This concept is required to understand the next test of congruency. That is, you have a triangle, two sides and the angle between them will determine the third side. Okay, fine. So if you have two triangles, okay, and you do not know whether they are congruent or not, okay, you have two triangles. If this side is equal to, if the corresponding, these sides are this equal, I mean if they are congruent, and if these sides are equal or congruent or identical, all those words have the same meaning almost. So, and if the angle between them, not any other angle, the angle between these equal sides, do you see that? If they also are equal, then the two triangles are congruent. So we cannot say they are equal. We use the word, this is the symbol for equal. The symbol for congruence is, you put this sign also extra. So this full symbol is a symbol for congruence. So these two triangles are congruent. Because why do you think it is congruent? Because if these two sides change, the third side of the triangle is based on these two sides and the angle. So if these two sides and the angle between them is the same, then of course the third side will be the same, because the third side is determined by those two sides and the angle. Okay, so what did you see? You took a side, and by the way, this is applicable for everything. For example, everything in the sense, all the angles. Like if you're taking this angle, then you have to take these two sides and the angle between them. If you're taking this angle, then the two sides that is joining the angle. Okay. Now you took a side, you took another side, and then you checked the angle between those sides. So this test of congruency is in a short form, it is called SAS, side angle side rule of congruence. Okay, now let us look at another test.